Testosterone. It's not just a hormone, it's the foundation of a man's body and mind. Your strength, your confidence, your energy, your drive. When testosterone drops, everything slowly starts falling apart, physically and mentally. Today, I'll show you 9 clear signs that your testosterone is low, and at the end, how to boost it naturally, without drugs. Let's start. 1. No morning wood. If you rarely wake up with an erection, that's the first red flag. Frequent morning wood, healthy testosterone. Once a week or less, danger zone. 2. No drive or hunger. High T men have ambition, fire, controlled aggression. If you feel passive, lazy, or mentally weak, testosterone is likely low. 3. Low energy. Sleeping 7 to 8 hours but still tired all day? That's not laziness. Testosterone fuels your body's energy systems. 4. Belly fat. Fat around the stomach is a classic low T sign. Testosterone burns fat. Low T stores it, especially on the belly. 5. Low mood and anxiety. Testosterone directly affects confidence and mood. Low T equals anxiety, sadness, and self-doubt. 6. Brain fog. Forgetting things. Poor focus. Slow thinking. Testosterone fuels memory and decision-making centers in the brain. 7. No motivation. If nothing excites you anymore and you keep procrastinating, that's dopamine dysfunction caused by low testosterone. 8. Poor sleep. Testosterone is produced during deep sleep. Bad sleep lowers T. Low T ruins sleep. A dangerous loop. 9. Weak muscles. Training hard but no strength or muscle gain? Muscle growth depends on testosterone. How to boost testosterone naturally. 1. Train hard. HIIT, sprints, squats, deadlifts. Heavy compound movements spike testosterone. 2. Sleep like a man. 7 to 9 hours. No compromise. Sleep loss destroys testosterone faster than junk food. 3. Sunlight and vitamin D. 15 to 20 minutes of morning sunlight daily. Vitamin D directly boosts testosterone. 4. Eat for hormones. Eggs, meat, fish, nuts, ghee. Avoid junk, excess sugar, and soy. 5. Kill chronic stress. Stress raises cortisol, testosterone's enemy. Reduce porn, late-night scrolling, and overstimulation. Low testosterone doesn't make you weak. Ignoring it does. Fix your lifestyle, and your body will fix itself. Like the video, subscribe, and take control of your biology.